In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Mailchimp link efficiently and effectively. Whether you're a marketer, small business owner, or just looking to share your latest newsletter with a wider audience, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process, ensuring you can get your message out there with ease. First things first, we're going to start at the very beginning, logging into your Mailchimp account. Navigate to the Mailchimp website and hit the login button. Here you'll be prompted to enter your username or email address followed by your password. Make sure these details are entered correctly before clicking Login to access your account. Once inside, you'll find yourself on the Mailchimp dashboard. This is where the magic happens. Your first action here is to locate and click on the Create button, which you'll usually find towards the top right of the screen. Clicking this will open a menu of options related to what you want to create. In our case, we're focused on emails, so go ahead and select Design Email. After choosing to design an email, you'll be directed to select a template for your email campaign. Mailchimp provides a variety of templates, each catering to different styles and content formats. Take your time to browse through and select a template that aligns with your message's needs. Once you've made your choice, click Apply to load the template into the editor. Here's where the customization starts. You can tailor every aspect of the email to match your branding and message. However, today our primary focus is on the specific step of adding a shareable link. Look for the option to add another social link within the template editor. This feature is incredibly useful for integrating your social media profiles or any web page directly within your email. Click on it and you'll be provided with fields to input your preferred link. Now input the URL you wish to share with your recipients. This could be a link to your latest blog post, your social media page, or any other online resource you want to direct your audience to. After you've entered the URL, make sure to save your changes. The editor allows you to see a preview of how the link will appear within your email, ensuring everything looks perfect before you proceed. After applying all the necessary changes to your email template, including adding your shared link, the next steps involve finalizing your email for sending, which might include selecting your recipient list, scheduling the send time, or reviewing your email for any last adjustments. However, the critical part we've covered today ensures that your intended link is incorporated into your email campaign, allowing your audience to engage further with your content or social media platforms. Remember, sharing a link through your Mailchimp email campaigns is a fantastic way to drive engagement, traffic, and potentially conversions. Whether you're looking to boost your website visits, enhance your social media presence, or simply direct your subscribers to valuable resources, integrating links into your emails effectively can achieve that. And that's about it. You've successfully learned how to share a link in your Mailchimp email campaign. Experiment with different links and track their performance through the Mailchimp analytics to see what resonates best with your audience. Keep your emails engaging, track your results, and don't be afraid to refine your approach based on the data Mailchimp provides. Happy emailing, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video where we'll dive even deeper into the world of effective email marketing.